Hello everyone, I'm Jared Hall. It's Monday, November 11th, 2024. Welcome to the week ahead. Last week, the S&P 500 ended the week at new all-time highs, rebounding from two consecutive weekly losses in weeks prior, as Donald Trump won the U.S. presidential election on Tuesday and the U.S. Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 25 basis points. All sectors notched gains last week, helping the index close up 4.7% for the week. The consumer discretionary sector led the sectors in performance last week, followed closely by energy, industrials, and financials. The price action last week was sharp and has the valuation of many equity names stretched. Last week, we were mentioning that we are expecting market volatility around the election and for subsequent weeks. We still believe this to be the case and would caution investors on trying to time the market or specific sectors due to the belief that the president-elect's policies will guarantee a specific result. Making broad assessments are necessary, but pinpointing specific stocks can add great portfolio risk. Please see our recent social media posts where we detailed the impacts of presidential elections on the broader markets. Going back to the other big news of last week, the FOMC reduced interest rates to a range of 4.5 to 4.75%, following a 50 basis point cut in September. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said Thursday that the results of the presidential and congressional elections are not expected to have an impact on near-term monetary policy decisions, including during the FOMC's next meeting in December. Since President Trump won the election, there has already been speculation on if he'd try to, quote, fire Chairman Powell. We would remind our readers that the president does not have such power, but can only nominate the successor chair after Jerome Powell completes his 4-year term in May of 2026. Looking ahead to this week, investors will be evaluating President Trump's return to the White House, which will have them guessing the impact of potential new tariffs, labor market shifts, and changes to immigration policy. This week is also still in the middle of earnings season for the third quarter. The week will conclude with inflationary data from consumers and producers, as well as retail sales data. We hope you were able to read our latest blog on the U.S. government debt and the impact of rising interest rate payments. If not, give that a read on our website. That's all for this week. Be sure to follow along with us for more content like this.